The wheelchair puller is now set up to be a self-contained solar-powered shop. So I can actually manufacture something 12-volt power while I'm babysitting baby chickens. Hello everybody, Walt Diego here. Got a experiment going on over here by the party park. I'm right out here by the party park. I got the little chickens over there scratching in the dirt. I've got my electric wheelchair puller over here with the solar panel charging the battery, 12-volt battery. I've got my vise set up here with aluminum can. My aluminum cans, like, cut out the bottom. Got an electric grinder here. Okay, totally electric. And I'm going to be making some aluminum keychains. All right, folks. Talk to you in a bit.
I don't know what mine
So
is.
she lost one of her. She won. Yeah, that's where your the colon. Is that where they took it out?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, my dad didn't make it to colon cancer. That's how he. You know, I haven't gotten checked for that yet. We're supposed to get checked by now.
Yeah.
Have you?
I probably have it.
Yeah. I still. That's something you're supposed to do.
It's very slow growing. Slow. Colon cancer is very slow.
Yeah, and that's the scary thing about it. Yeah, I'm
itches
gonna.
and big hard.
Well, I'm so glad. How long ago was this procedure?
The procedure he did. He told. I don't know.
At the hospital, how long has it been since they operated?
4 or 5 years?
Yeah.
5 years?
Yeah.
But they got it all.
He told me when he came out, the young guy says, "I got it."
So you're in remission.
Yeah.
Is that what they call that when they get it out? God bless you.
But the doctor also said that it comes back.
It comes back. So you get checked.
I tried to get.
Hello everybody, Walt Diego here. It's Monday, the 9th of October, and I'm still in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Blue skies, perfect weather, and I'm babysitting the little chickens. But I put them on grass. This way, they can scratch in the dirt and get their own bugs. I'm tired of babysitting. Okay, folks.